Hi there, this is your host. Today we're going to start a new series called Learn English with Movies. And for our first movie lesson, we'll look at the movie The Pursuit of Happyness, which is based on a true story. This is a great film with a very important message. It's a story about hope, and it's about believing in yourself even when things are really difficult. So let's get started. Okay, here's the scene. Chris Gardner, played by Will Smith, is a single father who has just moved to San Francisco with his young son. He's trying everything he can to make money and get a better life for himself and his son, but he's starting to lose hope. His bank account is almost empty. His relationship with his son is suffering. And worst of all, he's not able to find a good job. But then he meets a friend who tells him about an unpaid internship at a prestigious brokerage firm. It's an unpaid position, which means that he will not be paid for his work, but it could be his big opportunity, so he decides to apply for the position. Now, this is a key moment in the movie. Chris has been through so many challenges already, and now he has to decide if he should keep trying or if he should give up. This is what he says. You know what? You're right. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. All my life, I've been looking for the easy way out. There is no easy way out. You work hard. You do what you have to do, and then you find a way. Now, this is a very powerful dialogue. Let's analyze it. So the first thing that Chris says is, you know what? You're right. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. This is how we express that we agree with somebody and that we want to show our feelings. When you say you're right, you're telling the other person that you agree with them. It's a way of showing respect and understanding their point of view. For example, if your friend says it's late, we should go home. You can reply, I know, you're right. I was having fun, but it is late and I need to get some sleep. After that, he says, I'm tired. I'm exhausted. When you are tired, you don't have any more strength. You need rest. Exhaust is the same. It means you are extremely tired. Sometimes when you feel very tired, you can also say dead on your feet to show just how exhausted you are. After saying that he's tired and exhausted, Chris says, all my life, I've been looking for the easy way out. So he's saying that before this moment in his life, when he faced difficulties, he tried to find the easy way out instead of facing his problems. This is an idiom. An idiom is a phrase that has a special meaning. So when someone says to look for the easy way out, it means to try to avoid your problems and not face them directly. So if one of your friends is talking about studying for an exam tomorrow, and he says, yeah, I'm just going to look for the easy way out and not study, he means that he's planning to cheat during the exam or copy from another student. Chris then says, there is no easy way out. He's telling his son that there is no solution to their problem without working hard. In this context, it refers to the phrase looking for the easy way out. That's what he just said. It is short for looking for the easy way out. Then he continues, you work hard. You do what you have to do, and then you find a way. So after telling his son there's no easy way out, he gives him some advice. First, he says, you work hard. When you work hard, it means you're putting a lot of effort and energy into what you're doing. Then he says, you do what you have to do. This is another idiom. So when you do what you have to do, it means you do all the necessary actions to achieve something. After that, he says, and then you find a way. Find a way is a phrasal verb. A phrasal verb is two or more words that work together and have a special meaning. So when you find a way, it means to discover a solution to a problem. Now let's listen to the whole dialogue again. You know what? You're right. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. All my life, I've been looking for the easy way out. There is no easy way out. You work hard, you do what you have to do, and then you find a way. Repeat it with me. Okay, now let's practice this with a mini speaking challenge. I'm going to give you a situation, and you can practice speaking in English using the phrases we learned. If you want, you can record your answer and share it with us on social media using the hashtag provided. Okay, here's your situation. Imagine you're talking to a friend and you tell him you're giving up on your dream because it's too difficult. Then your friend says, you know what? You're right. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. All my life, I've been looking for the easy way out. There is no easy way out. You work hard. You do what you have to do, and then you find a way. Now, respond to your friend using the phrases we learned. Remember, if you want, you can record your answer and share it with us on social media using the hashtag provided. Next, let's watch another scene from a great movie called Rocky. Rocky is a small-time boxer who gets the opportunity of a lifetime. He's going to fight the world heavyweight champion Apollo Creed. Everyone thinks that Rocky will lose the fight, but he doesn't care. He trains hard for the fight, and he does everything he can to be the best boxer he can be. Here's what he says in a key scene in the movie. "Yo, Adrian, I did it. Yo, Adrian, I'm going the distance. I'm gonna go the whole 9 yards. Adrian, I'm gonna take this guy down. No, I'm gonna make him eat the canvas. I'm gonna beat him, Adrian. I'm gonna beat him, Adrian." This is an iconic scene. Rocky is talking to his girlfriend, Adrian, and he's telling her about his upcoming fight. He uses slang, which is informal language. So let's break it down. Yo, Adrian. So, yo is a word used as an interjection. It's a way of calling somebody, especially a friend. So it's informal. It's like saying, "Hey, Adrian." And then he says, "I did it." So he's telling Adrian that he's accomplished something. He's done what he needed to do. Then he says, "I'm going the distance. I'm going to go the whole 9 yards. These are two idioms. When you go the distance, it means to travel a long distance. And when you go the whole 9 yards, it means to do something completely and thoroughly. So Rocky is telling Adrian that he's going to fight the full 15 rounds. This is a boxing match, and each round lasts 3 minutes, so it's a long fight. He continues, "I'm going to take this guy down. No, I'm going to make him eat the canvas." So these are informal ways of saying that he's going to beat his opponent. The canvas is the floor of the boxing ring. So when a boxer eats the canvas, it means he's lying on the ground and he might be knocked out. Finally, Rocky says, "I'm going to beat him, Adrian. I'm going to beat him, Adrian." So he repeats this to show how excited and happy he is. So he wants to make sure that Adrian understands how much this victory means to him. Let's listen to the whole dialogue again. Yo, Adrian, I did it. Yo, Adrian, I'm going the distance. Here's what he sings in a key scene in the movie. "From now on, nothing's gonna change my clothes. But one day I'll make it on my own. I'm not scared to be myself. Not scared to show the world who I truly am." In this song, P.T. Barnum is telling everyone that he's not afraid to be himself. He's not going to pretend to be something he's not. He believes in himself and he believes in his dream. Now let's listen to the whole song again. "From now on, nothing's gonna change my clothes. I'm not scared to be myself. I'm not scared to show the world who I truly am." Repeat it with me. Here's your question. Why is it important to believe in yourself? Do you believe in your dreams? Thank you so much for watching this episode. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe. Do you have a suggestion for a topic or a movie that you would like us to cover? Please leave it in the comments below. Till next time, keep learning English and keep believing in yourself. See you soon.